Before you spend thousands of dollars applying for a patent, you need to find out if your invention is really new. Because here's the truth, if not, you could waste a lot of time and money. That's why today I'm going to show you how to do a preliminary patent search in 3 easy steps. In this way, you'll get a clear picture of whether your invention stands a chance before you invest further. Hi, I'm Rich Goldstein. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs to protect their ideas with patents. On this channel, I break down the patent process into simple terms so you can make smart decisions about protecting your invention. Step 1 is to define your invention clearly. Patents are all about precision. If you can't describe your idea in clear, simple terms, you'll never know what to search for. What's more, since we are searching for patents by other people, you need to think about how other people may have described an invention similar to yours if they had already patented it. So break your invention down into its key elements. Ask yourself, what does it do? How does it work? And what makes it unique? For example, let's say you've invented a new type of phone case. Don't just say, phone case. Be specific. Maybe it's the hinge mechanism, the shock absorbing feature, or a material that you've invented that makes it unique. This clarity around what you believe to be the uniqueness of your invention is going to greatly aid the search. Step 2 is to search the right databases. There are several free tools you could use, including the USPTO's Patent Full Text and Image Database, Google Patents, and Espacenet from the European Patent Office. When you're searching these databases, start broad. Use simple keywords related to your invention. Then refine by using technical terms or synonyms. Keep in mind that if your invention is a can opener, other people that patented something similar may very well have called theirs a container lid remover. Accordingly, you'll need to keep in mind variations in terminology when you search. And here's a pro tip. Pay attention to classification codes, called CPC codes. These are categories that the Patent Office uses to organize inventions. Once you find the right code, you could search inventions more efficiently, even if they use terminology you didn't think of. Step 3, analyze and compare. Step 3 is to analyze what you find and compare it to your invention. Don't just look at the titles. Dig into the claims, the drawings, and the detailed descriptions. If you find something that's described and looks almost identical, that's a red flag. Your invention might not be patentable. But if you notice differences, focus on whether those differences are significant. Small changes, like a slightly different shape or size, usually aren't enough. What you're looking for are unique features or meaningful improvements that set your invention apart. Now, doing this preliminary search, even exhaustively, doesn't guarantee that your invention is patentable, but it gives you a powerful head start and helps you avoid costly mistakes before you get a patent attorney involved. If you'd like professional help navigating the patent process, that's exactly what me and my team do. We've helped thousands of entrepreneurs to protect their ideas, and I'd love to help you too. So take these next steps, do your preliminary search, and then reach out if you're ready to take the next step in protecting your invention. If you found this video helpful, make sure you check out other videos on this channel where I break down the process step by step so that you can protect your ideas with confidence.